two-tone back look, but now there are new materials and just a new quality to it. We all know the back is now all glass, but this two-tone look comes from frosting the glass of the lower part, and it's impressive that it actually gives you this soft. But as you can see, it's not perfect. It can be very easily scratched. You might remember I didn't on Instagram. Within seconds of taking it out of the box, without even ever putting it, tiny scratches in the back on the soft touch person, then a case person, and the dbrand skin can match the matte black if you want, or make the phone whatever color you want. It's a no-brainer. And of course, wireless charging still works through a case or a skin, so there's a link below. Anyway, with this new build, you get IP68 water resistance that the Pixel 2 didn't have, and like I said, wireless charging is welcome. And this is the part where I give a shout out actually to my favorite wireless charger now, the new Pixel Stand. It's 80 bucks and it's everything I want a wireless charger to be. It's great. Anyway, the buttons of the phone are clicky and tactile and good. The fingerprint reader is exactly.
So good to have you back with us. Take her to the river province to prepare her for the ceremony.
Yes, General.